Good morning, students. As you know, we are doing the revision of chapter fundamental. So in this fundamental, today we will see how to make PL appropriation account, or if it is needed before this to make PL account, then also make PL account, then PL appropriation account. There is a question in which there are two partners A and B. Capitals of the partners are 5 lakh and 3 lakh, and profit during 31st March 2019. The session is 1819. Profit during the 31st March 2019, that is 3,46,000. This profit is before interest on partners loan, and interest on capital allowed 5% per annum. Interest on A's means partners loan of rupees 1,50,000 to firm on 1st April 2018. पार्टनर ए ने लोन दिया था फर्म को स्टार्टिंग में ही. इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्राइंग्स 6% पर एनम. ड्राइंग्स जो हैं वो ए की 60,000 एंड बी हैड ड्रॉन रुपीज़ 40,000. नाउ कम टू नेक्स्ट पॉइंट बी. पार्टनर अलाउड कमीशन 2% ऑन सेल्स. सेल्स वर रुपीज़ 30 lakh. 10% of the divisible profit is to be kept in reserve account. So see how to make PL appropriation account. For PL appropriation account, there is need of profit, net profit from the PL account. The net profit before PL account is also, see the point is there that there is a interest on partners loan. Interest on partners loan, this is rupees 1,50,000 लोन. इस लोन पर जो इंटरेस्ट होगा that will be charge. किस पर चार्ज किया जाएगा? वो चार्ज ऑन PL अकाउंट. So there is need to make first of all PL account. PL account. First of all, take profit whatever is given in the question, that is 3,46,000 profit. 3,46,000 profit by profit before interest. This is 3,46,000. Now charge interest to interest on A's loan. This interest is amounted to rupees 9,000. 9,000 interest. So after charging this interest, then take the balance of the net profit. This is, and that profit is transferred to PL appropriation account. To profit transfer to PL appropriation account, and this is after charging it 3,37,000. Now this is a profit which is transferred to PL appropriation account. Now come to the PL appropriation account. Yes, in this account, first of all take this profit by PL account. जो नेट प्रॉफिट हमारे पास आया 3,37,000. Now charge interest on capital. This is given 5% on the capital, so charge to interest on capital for A. Partner A, it is rupees 25,000. 5% of this 5 lakh, 25,000, and for B it is 5% of 3 lakh, means 15,000. Total interest is rupees 40,000 interest on capital. Now come to the next commission to B. Commission, about the commission, it is given in question that B is allowed 2% commission on sales. Sales worth 30 lakh. So to B's commission, it is amounted to rupees 60,000. 2% of this 30 lakh, 60,000. Now next come to reserve account. Whatever the amount transferred to reserve account, that is given in 10% of divisible profit. This will be calculated afterward. First of all, see what is the divisible profit. For this, first charge interest on drawings drawings were for the A 60,000 and for B 40,000 and charge 6% on the drawings. It amounted to rupees 60,000 का हम 6% निकालेंगे, that is 3600. और हमें ये क्योंकि ड्यूरिंग द ईयर हमें गिवन नहीं है कि कब ये विड्रॉ किया, सो टेक टाइम 6 months. इसको हम 3600 इंटू 6/12 means 1800 rupees interest on drawing for A. For the A it is 1800 and for B it is amount 1200. This is 3000 rupees. Now take the balance of it. Total is 3,40,000. Now divisible profit comes 2,40,000. For the 2,40,000, after deducting these two values from this 3,40,000, then we will get the divisible profit, that is 2,40,000. 10% of divisible profit means 24,000 is transferred to reserve account, 24,000 rupees. Now remaining amount comes 2,16,000. 2,40,000 में से 24,000 हमने ट्रांसफ़र किया रिजर्व अकाउंट में, अब 2,16,000 है, दैट इज़ डिविजिबल प्रॉफिट. और ये ट्रांसफ़र हो, ये प्रॉफिट डिविजिबल है जो ए और बी का है. दिस विल बी ट्रांसफर टू नेक्स्ट पार्टनर्स अकाउंट, जो अभी हमें नहीं बनाना इस क्वेश्चन में. सो टू प्रॉफिट ट्रांसफर टू पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट. ए को मिलेगा प्रॉफिट 1,08,000, क्योंकि हमें प्रॉफिट डिविजिबिलिटी के बारे में कुछ गिवन नहीं है. सो वी डिस्ट्रीब्यूट द प्रॉफिट इक्वली टू ए एंड बी बोथ. In this way, this question is now completed, and you have to see how to make PL appropriation account. If there is need of making PL account first, then how to make first PL account, then PL appropriation account. So that's all for today. Have a nice day.